Hello everyone, welcome to my another unboxing video. In today's unboxing video, we are unboxing Samsung Galaxy Chromebook 2. So we are going to unbox this one and have a look inside. So this one have a ChromeOS inside and CPU Intel Celeron N4500 and 11.6 inches HD anti-glare LCD, and this one have a shared VRAM 4 GB LPDDR4 onboard memory, and this one have a 64 GB SSD inside, and it use Intel dual 1.5 Bluetooth and Wi-Fi card in there, and this one have a silver color. So I'm going to use a knife to open up the white seal in there. As you can see, this one is open up, and this one just open up like that. So we have one paperwork in here, and let's open up that. And look like this paper is already coming out of from the V-hole in there. As you can see, this one says Samsung package contain Chromebook, fully charge the battery using the adapter before using the computer for first time. So we will have a look if this one have some charging in there, otherwise we will charge that one. So let's see what else inside. So there's one more just single page inside the box. As you can see, some information how to claim the warranty on that one. And we open up this one first. This one have like two side boxes like that, and there's a Chromebook. Let's put that on the side for a second and we'll have a look what's in here. So as you can see, USB-C to USB-C charging cable, quite bright white in there. Both side is USB-C, and it's look like is like around 2 meter would be. Yeah, it's just like a 2 meter cable in there. Let's put that on the side. And we have in here, I think is an adapter. So this is 3-pin UK adapter of Samsung. This one is 15 watt. So this one is a 15 watt adapter, so you can use the cable of USB-C just like that, and you can plug in your Chromebook. Let's put everything on the side. So here we have a Chromebook. This is in a silver color, and we are going to take the outer fabric cloth out. So the cover is out, as you can see on the back, and that would be might be a speakers on the both side, and there's a 4 rubber feet on the back, and you can see the LCD notch black panel in there. So on the front you will see it says Chromebook, and there's a Chrome logo in there, and says Samsung. On the back there's nothing else. On the left side there's a charging port and one SD card slot, so one USB 3.1 slot. And on the right side there's a lock section, and there's a 3.5 mm jack for the headphone. So let's open up this. So as you can see, this is open up just like that, and there's another fabric to cover the screen and the button. So this one says Intel Celeron. This is quite bright blue color logo in there. Very small trackpad, and the keyboard typing feeling is just like a capacitive buttons in there. So this is a full size keyboard without the number part. So this one have a alt and control button and longer than the usual. So on the front, as you can see, this is anti-glare screen, and this one have a big notches all over, and this one also have a mic and the camera. So let's turn it on if this one have a power inside. Press one more time. So I think that needed the battery charge. So I'm going to plug this one in with the USB-C charging port. So let's see this one have any power now. Pressing the power button, so it's turning on. As you can see, it says ChromeOS. So this screen can move up to 180 degree, as you can see, really flat, just like that. As you can see on the side, that can be moved to 180 degree, and you can move it back wherever you want to adjust that one.
The screen reader on ChromeOS, Chromebox, is primarily used by people with blindness or low vision to read text displayed on the screen with a speech synthesizer or braille display.
So I do not see at the moment the mouse pointer in here, but you can see the startup.
Get connected to enjoy all the features on your new Chromebook. Dialog.
So guys, this is a desktop screen. This is very simple Chromebook menu in here, and the mouse pointer will not work with the glove use. So this one do not detect any movement on the touchpad, but if you use without the, as you can see, without the gloves, it will working fine. So there's only two application folders in here. One is Google Chrome and one is file menu in here. So as I mentioned, this one only have 64 gigabyte internal memory. So this one only shows the download information in here, and the recycle bin, whatever you download from the Google Chrome, it will shows in here, and you can move that to the cycle bin, or that only shows my file, which is also the download in here. And there's a few information in here. This is time and the date in here, and that shows the Wi-Fi signal information and the battery level in there. So this one says update available, so I already put on the update. That will now restart and update the system. So as you can see, there's some more information. There's a volume control, and you have to click, it will not move like that. Either you have to hold the touch bar and then you can move around. And also the brightness, this is on the full brightness. As you can see, this is the lowest brightness. You can still see the display in there, but it's very low. And there's few more information here. This is says nighttime off on, and this one just say dark theme in there. Screencast, you can use the screencast on your TV and the other devices as well. And screen capture, you can use do not disturb mode. There's no more option in there. In the setting, there's only limited number of options available: network, Bluetooth, device, search engine, security and privacy. There's some apps in there you can download from the Google Chrome, and there's a advanced setting. This setting is actually of the Chrome setting. Is not like internal device setting in there. So as if you open up the Chrome, you are using as a guest. So as you can see, the open up the Google in there. So as you can see, the main Google page on there in the Chrome, you can sign in and use just like a normal internet in there. So this device cannot be used as a laptop. This is have a very small memory and storage in there, but you can use for the internet browsing, to use a Google Chrome in there to scroll a YouTube. Let's open up the YouTube here, and we are going to test it out some of the sound of this laptop as well. And you can see the screen is anti-glare, but is not really bright. So searching speed is okay. So let's open up this one and test it out the music sound. So as you can see, this is on the full volume, and this is the lowest and no volume. and you can use the pause button. There's a speaker volume up and down, and there's mute button as well in there. And also on the keyboard, I will going to show you. So the battery playback on this Chromebook is roughly 7 hour and 15 minutes, because we are going to use only for the internet browser only. So because we are only using this Chromebook for the browsing the internet only, so it's looking quite good. It's not really bright, but will work, and the sound is quite decent as well. So I would recommend, if somebody only using for the internet surfing, you just need something to browse on, and you like a laptop style, the Chromebook is the best for you. And its price is around £170 in the UK on Amazon. So you can buy the Amazon as well, or you can buy any other third-party website. Maybe you go a better deals are cheaper over there. So this is my unboxing video of Samsung Galaxy Chromebook 2. I hope you like the video. If you like my unboxing videos of Samsung Chromebook 2, please leave a like, leave your comment in the comment section. So I will see you in another unboxing and review video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in next one.